So today we're going to talk about the AC joint. The AC joint is that little bump that you have right at the top of your shoulder. Have you ever had something where all of a sudden you feel a little pain in here? It's really, really tender to the touch. It feels like a bruise. You could have pain kind of running down into the front, running a little bit down into the side, running down into the back of the shoulder, and it's painful for you to raise your arm up, bring your arm out to the side, or rotate it, or you feel like it almost can droop a little bit sometimes. What the AC joint is the side of your shoulder. If this is your upper arm, that little bump that's right on your top of your shoulder is where your clavicle and your back of your scapula attach. So if this is your AC joint right here, this is your clavicle, this is the scapula, these are the ligaments that hold the arm onto it and hold the bones together. When you tear something in here, which is a sprain, or it could be worse, up to a separated shoulder, you're going to feel instability in the shoulder, and that's what's going to make all of this hurt. The level of grade and severity of the injury will depend on how big this guy gets, because a lot of times the more tear, the higher the bump gets off of the shoulder. So what can you do about it? Aside from resting, making sure you go to the doctor if something is really, really wrong, you can always want to make sure that you support this shoulder so you can take a little bit of the pressure off of it. And then you can also do some shoulder exercises down the line. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a taping job with rock tape for the AC joint to support it if you're having any kind of pain in that shoulder. So stay tuned.